Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a great day. Today I have a Trendmood box, so let's get in here and see what we've got. So this is technically Trendmood Volume 7. I know, the last video that I made, I said was Trendmood Volume 7. She must not have counted one of the collabs that she did as a volume. So back on track, this is Trendmood Volume 7. And I know what's in here. Trendmood is not a subscription box. What you can do is you can follow her on Instagram and she lets you know when a new box is coming out and you just sign on to the website on the day and time at that very moment because they sell out in minutes. Every time. And they are always a different price. It's based on what is inside. This box was $63. I have gone through and gotten all of the prices so I can tell you the prices as we go, but the total box value as I worked it out is about $188 for $63. And the other beauty, because Trendmood, a lot of times there are new products in this box. It's not just items that have been out that now we're getting in boxes. A lot of times they're very on-trend, brand new releases. So when we open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. My purple, yay. And, oh, and look how pretty. Look, fall leaves. That's what it looks like on the inside. That is so fall and pretty. It's so exciting. There's just something about this box that I really like. And look, it's just got fall leaves in it. I feel like I should, you know. Does it look more fall now? Anyway, back to what's in the box. Didn't we just get something in a box that said if you smelled it, it gave you focus? And I was going to keep it here. Oh well, moving on. Forgotten. So reaching in, and the very first spoiler that we got about this box is the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. So that is what that looks like in the box, and I'm kind of excited because I read through the ingredients when she talked about it, and I can try this. I'm a little scared. I think there were a couple things in here that had me like, but I decided I'm going to give it a try. I'm just so sensitive, and there are so many things that I can't try. Look, even when you open the box up, it's pretty. Aw, and then look, it's a pretty bottle. I love the way that looks. Okay, let's read the box and I will tell you what they say that it does. It says this concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. Well, I think I'm plump. Not the point. This silky water gel serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum, which includes vitamin C-rich kakadu plum that helps boost the skin for a youthful appearance with hyaluronic acid and vegan collagen and delivers protective antioxidants. For deep hydration, the formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid, ultra low, low, medium, high, and ultra high to target the different layers of the skin. With added firming, vegan plant collagen, and silk protein, skin is hydrated instantly and throughout the day. Doesn't that sound awesome, especially with winter coming? And they say that you use 1 to 2 pumps of this AM and PM before your moisturizer. So there was nothing in the ingredients that I couldn't use, but it has vitamin C in it that it gets from that plum. So I'm a little nervous about that, but it's just a clear serum. Let's see how my hand, oh, both hands. It has just a very, very light fruity scent. That smells kind of nice. Definitely not something that's going to linger. And the back of my hand is now so soft, and that was 1 pump and I did both hands. I like it. I'm kind of excited. I hope that my face bears up under the stress of the vitamin C. Again, that is what that looks like. And this had a $42 value. I'm looking at my notes. I made some price notes. Okay, reaching in next, I have a Bosha Berry Blend Smoothing Facial with 28% acid complex. All right, let's talk eye to eye for a minute here. I can't use this. 28% acid complex. Have you ever seen Raiders of the Lost Ark? Oh, it's not Raiders of the Lost Ark. The Indiana Jones, oh, the Holy Grail. Oh my goodness, I love the Indiana Jones movies and I cannot believe I'm drawing a blank right now. What's the Holy Grail one? I know, right now you're screaming it at me. Is it the Holy Grail? Is it Indiana? We're going to move on past this. The guy chooses poorly and his face melts off. That's what would happen if I used this. It was a long way to go for that story. Okay. when we take it out, because I'm going to show it to you and then I'm going to set it aside for a giveaway. So it comes with a little paddle, which I am not touching on the end you use. I will throw that right back in the box, and a nicely sealed. See how nicely that is sealed? I'm not going to open it. And the box says about this, all of the good, none of the bad. All skin types, 100% vegan, botanical science, no artificial fragrance or colors, cruelty-free, and preservative-free. A supercharged radiance-boosting facial mask comprised of 28% acid complex. I can't even say that without smiling. Intensely refines and resurfaces lackluster skin for a visibly dramatic, smooth, and youth-enhanced complexion. An antioxidant-rich blend of strawberry and blueberry extracts, blackcurrant and pomegranate enzymes helps diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles to improve texture while sweeping away dead skin cells for an extra bright post-facial looking glow. So I'm going to go ahead and set that aside for a giveaway. I don't think any of us need to see what that would do to my face, and it has a $44 value. Reaching right back in, I have a Bubbly BB Nudies Glow All Over Face Highlight. So is it a Nude Sticks? Yes, Nude Sticks. Nude Sticks and Nudies Glow. And I think that there was an option that it would come in maybe 2 colors, and I think this might be the lighter color, so I'm kind of excited about that. That is what that looks like. And the other end is a brush. So it's an all over face highlight, and it says Nudies Glow, but when I looked up the price, I think it was called Bronze and Glow. So I think it's meant to be used kind of as a bronzer. See how it's a little darker? Let's see. Let's see what it does. Well, it's not even dark enough for me to be a bronzer. There's a little bit. Can you see? Yeah, there's a little bit you can see. All right, now let's see what happens when I try and brush it in. I definitely, with winter coming, like to get into some cream products because I am so incredibly dry. So this might work really well for me. I can't see anything. Oh, you can see though. See how I hope you can see, there's a little bit of a dark right there. And it's bronze. It's bronze and glow, not contour and glow. So technically, I would probably have like put it up here. Well, I don't know. I don't even think I can see it shine. Can you see it shine? I'm not sure that I can. But it is light enough to play with downstairs. So I'm kind of excited to play with that. Because like I said, I do, moving into fall and winter, like to add a little more creaminess. So kind of like this. And it has a $32 value. Now, I don't buy a lot of the Nude Sticks products, so that seems a little pricey to me, but it may very well be worth it. Okay, reaching in next, I have something by Becca. Oh, I can't see because I don't have my glasses on. Becca Light Gleam Primer and Topper Liquid Eyeshadow. All right, and I have it in Red Star. Red Star eyeshadow. Ooh, it's kind of pretty. I have to tell you, if you hadn't told me about this and you handed me this, I would have assumed it was a lip thing. That's the colors. I'm not sure I can use that. But you know what? It's fall. We're going to give it a try. And just for the record, this has a $26 value. Let's read about it before I take it out and use it wrong. It says, a dual-ended liquid eyeshadow to illuminate eyes like never before. On one end, a pigmented primer saturates lids, in a base of rich velvety color. The other applies a hyper-reflective top coat of iridescent pearls that bend light for a multi-dimensional finish. Where separately or layered, they work in tandem for a color-shifting chrome finish. All right, well, let's just put it on the back of my hand and see what happens. Oh, wow. Wow, that is so dark. You see the struggle? I don't know whether to use it. Well, I've opened it, so I guess I might as well try it now. Oh, wow, that is dark. That is dark. You know that moment when you've done something and you really wish you hadn't? Oof. Okay, let's see what the other end looks like. It didn't say I had to let that dry first, so I feel kind of like I should. This is the other end. The other end is a brush. This end, which I didn't show you, is like a doe foot. And then that end is like a brush. These colors are so dark. So I'm going to brush this over this. Oh, wow. It does lighten it a little bit. Okay. That might be fun to play with. Tell me below if you've ever used this, how you use it. I mean, like, would I do my whole eye, bottom lid in it? Or would I do like, yeah, tell me below if you've ever used this and how you use it. I'm kind of intrigued now that I see that it could be kind of covered up. I mean, it's dramatic. There's no getting around it. That is dramatic. Now that I've opened it and played with it, I'll have to play with it some more. And like I said, this has a $26 value. All right, reaching in next, I have another Nude Sticks product. It seems that I got most of the darker choices because I think that Red Berry might have come in something else, and then this Nude Sticks. That is very dark. And it says that it is the Lip Glossé in Nude 08. And I think your choices were Nude 06 and Nude 08. They said they were both cool toned. One said it was a cool toned berry, I think, and then this one said it was a cool toned brown. Again, since it's fall and I'm going to have dramatic eyes, let's see if I can get some dramatic lips to go with them. It says it's cool toned, so I don't mind dark. I like dark lips. It just has to be cool toned. Let's put a little bit on the back of my, oh yeah, this is completely wearable. Oh, it is kind of cool toned. And it's more glossy than I thought. I was afraid it was going to look like that, but look, that's completely wearable. So it's like a gloss. So although it looks incredibly dark, it goes on much lighter. All right. Well, that's exciting. And I just smelled it. It smells good. It smells almost like, I want to say mint, except for chocolate. It almost smells like a mint chocolate chip. Like ice cream, like mint chocolate. Yeah, that smells good. I like that a lot. Okay, and reaching in last, although I do still have more of these that I am going to put back there. I have a P. Louise Boarding Pass First Class. That is what that looks like. And I have never had, I don't think I've ever had a P. Louise product. I have heard of her eyeshadow primer. I have heard people really like it, but I've never tried it. And this says, passenger, bad betch. Isn't that the word everybody's using now? Departing from your comfort zone, destination, success, departure time, now. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, it's just a box. It's perforated and you can just open it up. That's kind of cute. There are two things in here. We have a lipstick and a lip liner. And this, when I was looking it up, has a 16-pound value. I didn't do the math on it because, I'll tell you why. Because the Nude Sticks, which I just showed you and didn't tell you the price on, is $28 on Sephora for a lip glossé. But it's on sale for $21. I know that in pounds this is 16, but that means it's probably like 21 American dollars. But I figured that difference probably made up the difference for, it's how I math. It's just for the record, this is such a heavy bullet packaging. I mean, it feels so heavy in quality. So the lip liner, that is what it looks like. Oh, and it's the twist up kind. I really like that. And I will put a little bit on here. Oh, it's very nude, very wearable. Love that. And it went on really creamy. I mean, it's just, it goes on really easy. Now let's see the nude lip that goes with it. And this is P. Louise Heights. This one said achievements on it, so I don't know if that's the color or not. But it's got the little P. Louise on it. And like I said, it feels really heavy quality. That is the color. So it's kind of nude, but kind of a nudie brown. It goes on a little gold. I haven't noticed that on other people. So that would be that together. They're really pretty. They're both very creamy. This is actually, I think, far more wearable. I was afraid it was going to be a little warm, and it is a little warm, but it's lightish and goldish enough that I think for fall, I think that's going to be a really pretty look. And just for the record, this is one of those magnet bullets. I love that. I love those. Okay, that is it for the Trendmood box Volume 7. And what we received in this one is the Glow Recipe Plum, which I am very excited to have. The Nude Sticks Bronze and Glow, and I got it in Bubbly BB, also very excited to try. The Nude Sticks Lip Glossé, which I got in number 8, also very happy to have. the P. Louise lip liner and lipstick. That is what they look like. Also very happy to try. And then we have this Becca Light Gleam Primer and Topper, which I'm going to have to play with. So I'll put that in the to have, but it'll be fun to try. We'll have to see how it works out. And then to share, I am happy to pass along this Bosha Berry Blend Soothing Facial with 28% acid complex. And that is what that looks like. Okay, so that was $63. And the reason that I decided it was worth it for me is I was going to buy this regardless. And this covered $42 of it. So after that, for $21, I got all of this that I am super happy about, plus this, which I'm absolutely going to try, and then this to pass along. It just seemed to have the value for me. And that's kind of how I try and decide about the Trendmood boxes, if I think I'm going to get the value out of them. Like, I took a pass on the Tatcha one because I knew I couldn't get enough value out of what was in it for me, but that's the beauty. I really like knowing what she puts in the boxes before we ever decide if we want to purchase them, because you can decide before you ever buy it if there's value in it for you. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming by today. I really appreciate you taking the time to come over, say hey below. Let me know what you think about this box. Have you ever done the Trendmood box? What do you think about the $63? Because that's kind of a pricey box, but it does have $188 worth of value. And you know what you're buying before you buy it, and it has brand new, only on the market as of September 1st, items in it. So let me know below what you guys think. And thanks so much for coming by. Please have a fantastic rest of your day. Please like. I hope you will consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you really soon. Take care, guys.